Introduce my family. My name is Sam. I am 10 years old. I live in a small town with my family. I want to tell you about my family. My dad's name is John. He is a doctor. He works at the hospital. My mom's name is Lisa. She is a teacher. She teaches at my school. I have one sister. Her name is Emily. She is 6 years old. She likes to draw pictures. We play together after school. We also have a pet dog. His name is Max. Max is very friendly and loves to play. Every evening we take Max for a walk in the park. On weekends, my family likes to do things together. We go to the beach, have picnics, and watch movies. My favorite thing is when we make pizza at home. My mom makes the dough, and we all add our favorite toppings. I love my family very much. We have a lot of fun together.